There's a pattern in reports from men aged 25 to 35. On the outside, life looks normal. But on the inside, small problems start to charge interest. Lower energy, worse sleep, more stress, more aches, less consistency. This is not a motivational talk. This is a simple playbook. 5 pillars, plus a 60-day plan you can follow with a busy life. You don't need to live like an athlete. You just need a base. Here's why this matters. After 30, muscle tends to decline over time. That's one reason why "I'll do it later" often gets expensive. You don't pay with money. You pay with lower performance, more pain, and less drive. This is not about looks. This is not about expensive hacks. This is about capacity, strength, sleep, food, meal timing, steps, and the people and setup around you. Here's the map. First, a minimum effective strength plan. Second, a sleep plan that boosts performance. Third, food rules that stabilize energy and mood. Fourth, meal timing you can test for 7 days. Fifth, steps as a simple anti-stress tool. And finally, the environment and the 60-day protocol that makes it stick. Let's start with strength. Strength is not vanity, it's safety. Large research reviews on strength training in older adults often show better strength and better ability in simple daily tasks. If that helps people keep function later, building a base earlier is a major advantage. One clear reason: more strength makes normal life cost less effort. Stairs cost less, carrying bags costs less, long work days cost less. Minimum effective plan: 3 sessions per week. Full body, 45 to 60 minutes. Keep it simple with 5 movement patterns. A push, bench press, push-ups, or an overhead press. A pull, a row, a pull-down, or pull-ups. A squat, squat or leg press. A hip hinge, deadlift or Romanian deadlift. And a carry, farmer walks. You don't need a perfect exercise list. You need simple progress. Week to week, improve one thing. A little more weight, or 1 more rep, or cleaner control. Safety guardrail. Most sets should end with 1 to 2 reps left. Not a max, not a grind every day. Now make it measurable. Pick 3 main lifts. Write down the weight and reps. Every 2 weeks, ask one question. Are you stronger than you were? If yes, you're on track. If not, adjust one thing. Not 10. Common mistakes to avoid. Training 6 days a week while sleeping badly. Switching your routine every week. Going perfect for 10 days, then disappearing for 20. If you only do one thing this month, do 3 full-body workouts per week. Now sleep. Sleep is the multiplier. It's the free upgrade. Many sleep guidelines suggest most adults do best with about 7 to 9 hours per night, and getting at least 7 hours on a regular basis is a smart baseline. Coffee can help short-term, but it can't replace sleep day after day. One clear reason: sleep affects focus, mood, appetite, and training output. Low sleep raises risk, like driving without a seatbelt. Minimum effective sleep plan. 3 levers. Lever 1. A fixed wake time. Pick a wake time you can afford on work days. Keep it stable. Lever 2. The room. Dark, cool, quiet. Make the room do the work so you don't need willpower. Lever 3. A downshift. 10 to 20 minutes with no screen before bed. No news, no doom scroll. Just slow. If you only do one thing, set a wake time and hold it for 14 days. That rhythm helps the rest fall into place. Common mistake to avoid: trying random sleep tricks while your wake time changes every day. Now food. Not as guilt, as fuel. You don't eat to punish yourself. You eat to support the week. Large research reviews often link healthier eating patterns with better mood and lower risk of depressive symptoms. This is not a magic fix. It's one lever that often matters. One clear reason: food quality changes energy. Energy changes choices. Choices change consistency. Minimum effective food rules. No calorie math. Rule 1. Protein in 2 to 4 meals per day. Rule 2. Half your plate is real, simple food most of the time. Rule 3. Drink water before you decide it's hunger. Busy man emergency plan. Use a template. 1 protein, 1 simple carb, 1 fruit or vegetable. Examples: eggs, yogurt, chicken, tuna. Rice, potatoes, oats. Salad, bananas, frozen veggies. You're not chasing perfect meals. You're avoiding the expensive mistake of no plan. Common mistake to avoid: extreme dieting for a week, then rebound eating for the next 2. Now meal timing. When you eat can change how you sleep. Some studies link later meals with worse sleep, so it's worth a simple test. This is not a guarantee, it's an experiment. The 7-day test. For 7 days, eat your last meal earlier than usual. Avoid eating right up against bedtime. Keep the rest of your life the same so you can learn. Track 2 numbers each morning. Sleep quality 0 to 10. Morning energy 0 to 10. If it improves, keep it. If it doesn't, switch the lever and test again. Common mistake to avoid. Changing dinner time, caffeine, bedtime, and training all at once. Then you don't know what worked. Now steps in walking. Walking is the habit that closes the account. It's simple. It's stable. It's low risk. Large research reviews of walking programs, especially in older adults, often show benefits for health and sometimes for thinking skills like focus and memory. It's not flashy, but it's high value because you can keep it. One clear reason. Walking lowers stress load. It helps your body shift out of fight mode. That makes sleep and food choices easier. 2 practical routes. Route 1. Total steps per day. Don't start with a perfect number. Start with your normal week, then add a small amount you can keep. Even 10 extra minutes per day is a strong start. Route 2. A 10 to 20 minute anti-stress walk, after lunch, or late afternoon. No hero pace. Just move. Common mistake to avoid. Treating walking as optional, then wondering why stress stays high. Now what makes this real life? Your environment and your people. Your environment pulls you toward the average. And so do the people around you. Large research reviews link stronger social relationships with better long-term health, so support is not soft. It matters. One clear reason. When life gets busy, your circle and your setup decide what you default to. Minimum effective environment checklist. Set out your training clothes. Make it easy to start. Buy base foods once per week, so you're not trapped by hunger and convenience. Remove friction from good habits. Put the gym on your route. Put a water bottle where you see it. Add friction to bad habits. Block problem apps at night. Make late delivery less easy. Don't rely on late-night decisions when your willpower is low. Common mistake to avoid. Building a life that fights your goals, then blaming motivation. Now the 60-day protocol. You don't need motivation. You need enough time. Large research reviews on habit formation suggest it often takes longer than people expect, and around 2 months is a reasonable starting point for many habits. That's why this is a 60-day cycle. Here's how to run it. Pick 1 action per pillar. 1. Strength. 3 full-body workouts per week. Sleep. Fixed wake time. Food. Protein in 2 to 4 meals. Meal timing. The 7-day earlier dinner test and repeat if it helps. Steps. A simple daily walking target you can hit most days. People. 1 workout per week with someone or a weekly check-in. Now the execution rules that stop all or nothing. Never fail twice in a row. If you miss today, you show up tomorrow. The goal is adherence, not perfection. Every 14 days, adjust 1 thing, not 10. Good habits build value. Bad habits charge interest. Future you will either pay less or pay more. Make the payments small and steady. If you're 25 plus, the best hack is building the base before the cost goes up. Save this and start your 60-day cycle. Share it with a friend who needs a stable plan.